to belbas for smart locks and all this stuff. I want to show you, I opened the package, so how it's supposed to be. We open it and remove this, all this stuff, the manual, and this is the device. That's how it looks like. Is it? And there's some tools as well. That's the door sensor that comes with it. That's will help us to install it manually. So this is the door lock. Battery goes just right here, and the background of it, which is this one, that's one goes to the door itself. As you see, 3 screws right here. It goes to install the door that I will show you in a moment. So this is a door lock, normal door lock. I already installed the door sensor. I will show you later how to install it. And this is the old cylinder that I already have. This is the new one, belbas. I put it right here. As you see, it can be fixed almost. And then we put the screw on. It's very easy and it's very it's very easy and it's very convenient to use. You just screw everything down, and then that's it. Now, after installing, you see, it's no way you can remove it. Okay? After that, we will install the key. Sorry. That's the key. That's the door. So you see. And then we will install the device. So the device is like this. From behind, you have to do it like this. From downstairs till upstairs. Now it goes. So it comes with a device with 2 screws. I'll show you right now. Those are the 2 screws that comes with the device. You bring each one of them separate. You put it like this, and then you install it from the side. Like this. You go all the way to the back. So now it's installed, it will never goes down, and it's really is juice. And the most important, that's from outside, it doesn't change how the door cylinder, how the door lock looks like. It's only from the inside. From the outside, you can just install the keypad. So after that, we will install the batteries. So those are the batteries. It's a AA battery. I used Kodak, but if you want, that goes up to 6 months, for example. If you want something more expensive, but it's gonna last for 2 years, try Duracell. The Duracell will be perfect for it. It's very easy. Just put it inside like this, and then like this. It's gonna light, which means Bluetooth is on. We're gonna cover this up. Now it's ready to use. Okay? So, yep, press resume. Okay. again, yes, like this. I'm just adjusting the zoom. So this is the TT Lock app. You press on add device. You press, if you don't want to wait, you press just all locks and waiting for it. You press any button on it, so it's gonna be on. You see? That's on. It's gonna do auto calibration. The moment. Now it's ready. You're gonna press it, name it home lock, for example, and done. Ours is opens to the left, and okay. Start auto calibration. So now you have this. You can press unlock. You can unlock. You can open it. And then press, hold to lock. We press and hold, and then now it's gonna lock the door. It's gonna show you red lights right here, which means it's locked, and that's how it works.